Hi everyone, this video is going to review our temperature problems. So if we didn't pass that last week, we're going to practice again this week and hopefully pass the second time around, which is okay. So let's review the two example problems so you have some questions to look at in case you get stuck. Question 1, the temperature was -15 when Tim woke up. At lunch, the thermometer showed 45 degrees. What was the change in temperature from when Tim woke up until lunchtime? Whenever we're working with temperature, we're always going to draw our thermometer, which is just simply a line. And when Tim woke up, it was -15 degrees. So -15 degrees is below zero. So there's -15, but at lunchtime, the thermometer read 45. So 45 is above zero. So we'll put 45 up here. And we have to figure out how much did the temperature change. One hint is that when we're talking about change in temperature, the answer is always positive. So you can look at your answer choices here. A is negative, so we can cross that out automatically. Now we have to do some math. We know that from -15 to 0 is 15, and from 0 to 45 is 45. And if we want to travel all the way from -15 in the morning to 45 at lunch, we are taking these two pieces of the number line and adding them up to get the whole distance between these two numbers. So if we add 45 and 15, we get 60. So our answer is D. We can double check by asking ourselves, if I start at -15 and I travel 30 degrees, will I end up at 45? Well, -15 plus 15 gets me to 0, plus another 15 does not get me to 45. And I can do the same thing with 45. -15 to 0 is again plus 15, and here I would add another 30, but 0 plus 30 does not equal 45. So we can eliminate all of those answers. Let's look at the second problem. The temperature was increasing 3 degrees per hour. Increasing is telling us going up. Carmen read the thermometer at 9 a.m. and it said -5 degrees. There's our starting point. So here's 0. At 9 a.m. it said -5. -5 at 9 o'clock a.m. In 3 hours, what will the temperature be? So in 3 hours, we need to figure out the temperature when we know that it's increasing 3 degrees per hour. So if I increase 3 degrees, -4, -3, -2, that was 1 hour, so that is 10 o'clock. But we need to do 3 hours. So we need to go up more. -101, that's 11 o'clock. 2, 3, 4, that is 12 o'clock. And 3 hours, 1, 2, and 3. Hopefully that helps, and practice the problems below for next Monday.